So hey guys, how it's going? This is Dipanshu and welcome to Pix Creation. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create 3D shapes or 3D design in Photoshop. It's easy, and in with the 3D objects, you can create this type of table and glass effect or these type of shapes. So this is our introduction video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create these type of shapes. So without wasting further time, let's begin. So first of all, let's create a new document. So right here, Control N for new document. Here I'm going to change the background color to like something like this and create a copy of this background. Now change the color of the layer. Now what I'm gonna do is click on this 3D button, and here you see the new mesh from there. From here you can select the mesh present and select any one of them. For example, let me take this sphere. I'm gonna choose this sphere, and I have this sphere here where I can click on this light button, so I can adjust the lighting position of this for this sphere. And here you can see the different type of views of the sphere. For example, if you click here, you can see the top view. Now just select on default view, so it will give you the front view like this, but you can choose any different type of any other view that you want, and you can swap that view. For example, I have the left view here. Just click on this button, swap main, and here you swapped your view. So I'm going to take a default, select this and just change this right like this. Now you have different type of axis, like this is z-axis, this is x-axis, and this is y-axis, and that front one is z-axis. You can rotate it by just click and drag, so it will rotate your sphere. And now you can change the length of this sphere. Here you can see the scale along y side, so press and drag to scale this sphere. So drag down to make it thinner, drag up to make it like oval shape like this. You can take it by uniformly, just in the center you can see the scale uniformly, and press and drag up to large and down to make it make it low. Now here you can see the rotate, so you can rotate from z-axis, x-axis, and any other axis that you want, that it will rotate. Now here on the top, this arrow gives you to move the sphere. So if I click and drag, it will move my sphere according to this. And this is our base. This is our baseline. So you can see, if we float it, the shadows are going backward, and if we take down this, these shadows are going. So this is the basic of this. So what I'm gonna do is just take it aside, like here, and there you have it. You have a sphere. And now I'm gonna make another one. Oh, what? I'm gonna make another shape. So click on 3D, new mesh present, and create different type of object. So let's check this donut. You can see here the top view of this donut that you can see. Here I have environment. So if we rotate our environment, it didn't rotate the object, it rotates the environment. Like you can see the grids are rotating. But if you can rotate this, object, like selecting this object and rotate it, the grid didn't rotate. You can see here. So guys, this is the basic of the 3D. So guys, I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel, and I'm gonna continue this series further so you can create different type of stuffs like this table and glass set, or these type of shapes. So this shape is that donut shape, and you can see this pear shape here, and this is pyramid, and this is cone shape. So try it out on your laptop, PC, and watch Pix Creation. Thank you.